Lina. Good morning, Lina.
Hi, teacher. Yesterday I forgot.
Oh, yes, I see. Your mom told me about it. And she forgot to remind you as well because she was sick yesterday, right?
Yeah, she's sick.
Okay. So, what did you do yesterday, Lina?
Yesterday I
You
mm,
can't remember now. You can't remember
I
now?
just got to the IELTS lesson and going to the piano class.
Okay, I see. So you still have a very productive day. Now, let me share my screen, Lina. And for
Oh,
today,
teacher, more.
yeah, what is it?
Yesterday, my mom's friend with her son go to my house. She
Oh,
slept here this night.
oh, okay. So you have a friend, and I think you sleep late just to play with him. Did you? Did you play? What are you doing? Can you hear me?
Uh,
Can you
yeah,
hear
I can
me?
hear you.
Okay. So can you tell me, did you play with your friend?
One is old. No, one is little than me, 1 years old, and one is little than Tina, 1 years old.
Oh, okay. So almost the same age as you.
Here, this one.
Oh, they are still there. Oh, I see. Okay. And he is playing. Playing maybe Roblox?
Yeah,
And you don't
and
play
watching
Roblox.
videos.
Ah, okay. But you don't play Roblox, right? Do you play Roblox, Lina?
I don't have Roblox too.
Oh, okay. That's
You
good.
play Roblox? You play
No,
Roblox?
no, but my niece and nephew do. Okay, so now, Lina, let us continue. Okay, so by the way, again, our topic is the types of movie or the types of TV shows that you like. Now we have here exercise one. Now, can you tell me what is Hulu, Lina? Lina? Lina?
Um, um,
What is it, Lina? Hulu. Look at the words here. Are you familiar with any of the words given here, Lina?
hmm,
Are you familiar with any of the words given here?
hmm. Hulu. I don't know.
Oh, you don't know any of it. Okay. So now, when we say Hulu, Lina, it is an online streaming service that lets you watch TV shows, movies, and original
Yeah?
content.
Con ngồi hút đi. Dạ, rất bình thường. Um,
Okay.
okay.
So next one, we also have Amazon Prime Video. What about this? Are you familiar with it?
Um,
Yes, Lina, Amazon Prime
Um,
Video. Do you know it, Lina? If you're not, you can always tell me. What are you doing, Lina?
um, I don't know this too.
Okay, so now, same as Hulu, Lina, Amazon Prime Video is as well a streaming platform that offers movies, TV shows, and original series that is available to Amazon Prime members. Okay, so now what about Netflix? Of course, you know this one very well.
I know is about movies.
Yes. Okay, so it is a popular subscription-based streaming service with a wide variety of movies, TV shows, and as well as original content. Now, what about YouTube? YouTube, do you know?
Uh,
Of course, you know this one. YouTube, Lida, YouTube.
oh, is about um videos and something we like to see.
Yeah, it is a video sharing website, Lina, where users can upload, watch, and share videos for free. Now, what about television?
Is a screen or a thing to watch Hulu, Amazon.
Okay, yes, that is correct. So it is the electronic device that we use to watch, broadcast, or streamed videos and movies, just like Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube. Now, what about tablet?
Um, tablet is
Yeah,
like an iPad,
yes,
small
that is.
laptop.
Yes, that is correct, Lina. It is a portable touchscreen device that is larger than a phone, and it is used for browsing, watching videos, reading, and many more. Now, what about laptop? What is laptop, Lina?
Is a computer.
Okay, yes, it is the portable computer with a screen and keyboard that you can use on your lap or a desk. Now let us practice, Lina, and in here I want you to tell me which of the items on the list you use to watch TV shows and which you do not. Okay? Now, like for example, I use Netflix to watch TV shows. I do not use a tablet to watch TV shows. Now, what about Hulu, Lina? Yes, Lina. Lina,
Um, I don't know.
you don't know if you use Hulu to watch TV shows or do not?
Yeah.
Why? How come? We already talked about it.
Um,
Hulu, Lina. Like, for example, I use Netflix to watch TV shows, of course, because Netflix um It offers wide variety of movies and TV shows. But what about Hulu, Lina?
Um, is to streaming something like a
Yes.
website is a web
Yes.
that's streaming.
Yes, that lets you watch TV shows, movies, and original content as well. So, do you use it to watch TV shows or not?
I don't know Hulu either.
Oh, you don't know it. Okay, wait. I'll let you see its logo, Lina. Okay, so this is Hulu, Lina. It's a little similar to Netflix, right? Because it is as well an online
Oh,
streaming
that's
service.
scary.
No, those are just movies, not scary, Lina. Hulu is not scary. Those that you watch, those are just movies that are available in Hulu. Okay, so of course, since it is the same as Netflix, Lina, wherein you can watch TV shows, movies, and other contents, then it means that we use Hulu to watch TV shows, right? Right, Lina?
Yeah,
Okay, now what about Amazon Prime Video? Do we use it to watch TV shows or no?
uh,
Amazon Prime Video, it's just the same, Lina. It as well offers.
but I
Um,
didn't have that too.
you don't have this one. Okay, yes, I understand, Lina. But based on our discussion, that Amazon Prime Video, it offers movies, TV shows, and other original series. What do you think? Do we use it to watch TV shows or no? Do we use it to watch TV shows, Lina, or no? Lina?
Uh,
Lina? What do you think, Lina?
can you say again?
What do you think? Do we use Amazon Prime Video to watch TV shows or no?
Um, yeah, we use Amazon Prime Video.
Okay, now what about Netflix? Netflix.
It's two.
Okay, yes, we use it to watch TV shows as well. What about YouTube?
Two.
Okay. Why do you answer like that, Lina?
Is two.
O- Okay, you can say we use or I use YouTube to watch TV shows. Okay, now what about television?
Uh, uh, television to watch TV shows too.
Okay, what about tablet? Tablet. Do
A
you
cat. Watch.
you don't watch TV shows using your tablet, Lina, or iPad? What are you doing, Lina?
Um,
What are you doing?
um, I don't know to. I don't know this word too.
What do you mean you don't know? We're already in tablet, Lina, and you know this one. You even defined it for me earlier.
But I don't know to you. The list you use to watch TV shows.
Oh, you don't know?
So I do not use tablet to watch TV shows.
Okay, and that is fine, Lina. What about laptop? Do you use laptop to watch TV shows?
Um,
Do you use laptop to watch TV shows, Lina? Yes or no?
um, hmm.
What do you think?
I think uh maybe it can't
Oh, okay, you
uh
don't use.
watch TV shows.
Okay, you don't use laptop to watch TV shows. Okay, thank you so much, Lina. Now let us proceed to exercise 2 vocabulary, okay? Now we have here the first word, entertaining. What does it mean? What is entertaining?
Um,
Entertaining. What does it mean? Do you know?
uh,
What is entertaining, Lina?
hmm,
Yes, Lina?
uh,
Entertaining.
hmm, is
It's what is it? What is entertaining, Lina? Do you know it or no?
hmm, I don't know it too.
Okay, so now when we say entertaining, Lina, it means
I
it is.
just learned that yesterday from iArt, but now I can remember.
Oh no. Okay, so again, when we say entertaining, Lina, it means something is enjoyable, it is fun to watch or listen to. Okay, like for example, I found the novel to be very entertaining. Okay, so it is fun to read. Okay, you enjoy reading it. Okay, that is entertaining, fun, and enjoyable. Okay, Lina? Lina,
Um,
do you get it now? Can you remember it now?
hmm,
Okay, again, since I'm done telling you the definition of it, can you tell me again what does it mean when we say entertaining? What does it
hmm,
mean? Mm-hmm. What does it mean?
hmm. Is an adjective and
And it's what?
is very good for our brain.
It's very good for our brain. Not necessarily, Lina. It just means you're having fun or you're enjoying while you're doing it. Okay? It's
Okay,
entertaining. Now, what about hilarious? Hilarious.
hilarious. Um,
Yes. What do you think?
Uh,
Yes, Lina. What is it,
hmm,
Lina?
hmm,
Hilarious.
is hilarious. Is look familiar to me.
Yes, because we have talked about this one already, Lina.
Ah, that's happy.
No, not happy.
Um,
Hilarious. It
hilarious. I don't know.
means something is really funny, Lina. It's
Oh,
really
funny.
funny. Okay. Hilarious. Okay, remember that word, Lina. Now, next one, amusing. What about amusing? Amusing. Lina, do you know this word? If you
Hmm.
don't, you always tell me directly, okay? Amusing. Lina, what is amusing? What is amusing, Lina?
It's mean amusing.
Yeah. What does it mean? Amusing means,
Very happy.
okay, something is causing you
Happy.
laughter. Okay, yes, it's causing you laughter, Lina. It is making you entertained or you enjoy it. Okay, that is amusing. Like, for example, he found her comment quite amusing. Okay, a little funny, or yeah, it's causing you to laugh or enjoy the comment. Now, what about predictable? Predictable. What about predictable? What do you think is the meaning of this word, Lina?
Uh,
Predictable. What is predictable?
predictable. We
Yeah.
taught this before.
No, not yet. It comes from the word predict, Lina. Predict. Which means what? If you don't know a certain word, Lina, you can always tell me directly so we can talk
I
about
don't
it.
know.
Okay, so again, when we say predictable, it happens in a way that you expect it to be. Okay, so it is easy to guess what will happen next. Like, for example, Lina, many love stories are predictable and end with couple getting married, of course. Right? Okay, that is predictable, Lina. You know what will happen next. Again, what is predictable? What is predictable, Lina?
Um,
Is it?
is
It's It's
maybe we can think. Um, we think. Like we think that's what will happen or something.
okay. what we think is what will actually happen. Okay, so that is predictable. You know already what will happen next in the story or in the situation. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class today, Lina, but we will have,
That's quick.
yeah, that was,
Teacher,
yes.
13 days later, it will be my birthday.
Birthday. Oh, yes, I remember it now. Advance happy birthday, Lina. And you will turn 11, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
and my
no.
friend Lily is in July too.
Oh, July as well. Okay.
That's why
So,
we're best friends.
okay, that is why. So, advance happy birthday, Lina. And I believe we will
Now
have a class on
uh,
your
when
birthday,
when it's my birthday, you can say because I don't know. I will who I will choose.
right? And we will have a class on your birthday, right? Wait, let me see.
Yeah, I'm in Tuesday.
Oh, that's cool. So I can greet you personally. Now, thank you so much and enjoy your other class, Lina. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Lina.
Goodbye, teacher.